Hey gamers, welcome to the video. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to write and record your very own song. First things first, you're going to need some equipment. You're going to need a laptop or computer and some recording software. There is free ones out there, but I'm using Ableton Live 10. And this isn't necessary, but it helps a lot to have a MIDI keyboard in order to put your sounds actually into the computer.
And plug everything in, of course, like your computer, MIDI keyboard, both ends, and headphones.
Now we get right into the music. As a very young and talented artist once said, I always start with the beat. How you gonna write the song if you ain't know what the beat sound like? If you have a MIDI keyboard and your recording software has drums on it, you can do it right here. But I have a drum set, thankfully, and I'm gonna go get some inspiration. Those drums sound pretty good.
Next up, I will teach you about chords. No, not chords. The chords that will make up your song. Chords are typically 3 notes that harmonize together. That goes for guitar and keyboard. No, not that keyboard. Here's an E chord. Oh, let me tune. Now we're good. Now that you know about chords and your beat, you can basically throw down a triple platinum album. I hope you find all this information useful, and I wish you the best of luck with your music. Thanks for watching.